the biggest one I've caught here. That's a solid 1.5, 2 pounds. Told you I was gonna catch one on a frog. There he is. There he is. There he is. Yes, come here. Come here. Oh yeah. Nice little fish.
It's now time for the Tatted Werewolves Tip of the Week.
Alright guys, in this week's tip of the week, we're going to cook tilapia with a Mexican twist. As far as the flavorings on the tilapia goes, we're going to cook it with a side of asparagus and a side of corn. Alright guys, you're going to pan your tilapia just like this. Once you get your tilapia panned, it's going to be time for seasoning.
Alright, we're going to get our seasoning. This is the What's on the Hook seafood seasoning. A subscriber had sent this to me. Guys, this is some really good seasoning. It tastes like the seasoning that comes on the fruit that you get at the gas stations. Like the apricot and all that. It has the chili blend on it. It tastes very similar to that. It's very, very good, guys. You're going to love it. But yeah, you guys are going to love this seasoning, dude. You put some on there. Put a good amount so it doesn't cook off. And then you're going to rub it in. Oh, it smells good. Alright, that's done. Put that right there. So go ahead and rub that in. There goes that. You should have had the oven already preheating, but you're going to put it on
bait, and you're going to put it on 425. I know that sounds like a lot, but we're actually going to put the fish in when it hits about 325. So it's going to cook while it's still preheating. We're going to cook it for a total of 40 minutes. Right before you put it in the oven, you want to put butter in here. I usually put 2 good scoops right on top of it. I'm going to let it melt and cook into it. It's now time to put it in. I don't know exactly if it's at 325, but it's got to be getting close. So I'm going to put these in like this. Turn this around like that. Put it in there. And let it cook. Alright, we're going to check up on the tilapia. The tilapia is looking great, guys. We probably got about another 10 minutes on this, and I'm taking it out. Nice steaming tilapia. Side of corn and asparagus. I'm sure it tastes just as good as it looks, guys. But there you go. That's with what's on the hook fish seasoning. Man, I wish you guys could smell it. Alright, well, you guys have a great evening. We'll see you next time. Hello fellow bass boys and bass girls, it's me Chris from Georgia Bass Boys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit the subscribe button, drop us a comment, and hit the like button. If you want to be notified of future uploads, hit the bell and you'll be notified of our upcoming videos. Y'all have a great evening, and we'll see you next time.